This is a guide for measuring a jacket you own to find your JL Rocha jacket fit. The supplies you'll need are a standard size fabric tape measure, a clipboard with a piece of paper, and a pen to write with. Optional, you can print out JL Rocha leather jacket size guides on each corresponding page of the leather jacket on jlrocha.com. Get acquainted with the various areas we'll be measuring. Screenshot this and save it for later. We'll begin by measuring the length of the jacket. Place the fabric tape measure at the seam where the collar meets the body, and be sure to extend the tape measure and the jacket to find the furthest point down. Write down your measurement and proceed to measure the chest. Place the end of the fabric tape measure on the seam where the armpit meets the body. Then guide the fabric tape measure across the back of the body of the jacket and unify them where they both meet on the opposite side's armpit seam. Keep note that you might need to adjust the fabric tape measure to make sure the jacket is both extended and that you can find the exact measurement that would be your chest size. Write down your measurement and proceed to measure the sleeve by placing the fabric tape end at the seam where the shoulder meets the sleeve and then extend the sleeve to find the furthest point. Write down your measurement and proceed to measure the waist by placing the fabric tape at the end of the waist of the jacket at the front and extend the fabric tape to the end of the waist at the front of the jacket. We recommend gently pulling on the waist of the jacket to see how much give is present, and then write down your measurement. Next, we'll be measuring the shoulders. Place the fabric tape at the top of the seam where the arm meets the shoulder and extend the fabric tape to the opposite shoulder at the same seam. Extend the jacket a slight bit to find the give and write down your measurement. Compare your measurements to those found at jlrocha.com to find your perfect fit. Thank you for watching.